Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute Easter bunny holding Easter eggs. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the top of the Easter bunny's hair on the top of its head, like that. And then right where we left off, we're going to draw one of the ears, and it's a big looping line up and over like this. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. And now we'll do the other ear on this side. So back where we started, we'll do a big arching line up. And draw those big Easter rabbit ears. Like that. And now let's draw the sides of the head. So starting where we left off, we're going to do a curved line down like this. And we'll stop there and we'll do two little fur lines. And we'll continue and stop right about there. And let's go over here. We'll do the other side of the head. So curved line down and two little fur lines, and then we'll continue like that. Okay, let's go back up to the ears and let's draw a shape inside the ears. So it's a curved line up like this that loops over, comes back down, and then you stop. And then you close it off like that. Let's do the same on this side. And then close it off. Okay, now let's draw the face on this Easter bunny. We'll start with an eye right about here, and it's just a circle. Like that. And a circle over here. Like that. And now let's add some highlights in those eyes, and it's a smaller circle like that, and one over here. And let's color it in black. Okay, let's put some eyebrows above those eyes, and it's just a little curved line like this, and one over there like that. Now we got to do the nose and mouth. So right in the middle, we're going to do a little triangle like that for the nose. And then we'll do the muzzle lines that smile up like that, and one like that. And let's give it big funny rabbit teeth to eat those carrots like that. Okay, now let's do the body and the Easter eggs down here. So starting on the bottom of the side of the head here, the bottom of the head, we're going to do one of the arms. So it's just a curving line down like this. That curves back around. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting here, curved line down, and back around. And let's do some finger lines here, like that, and let's have it holding an Easter egg right in the middle. So starting here on the side of the paw, we're going to do a curved line over for the top of the Easter egg that it's holding, up and down. And then let's do the bottom of the Easter egg. So starting here, down, and up like that. And we're going to do some wavy lines and make it a colorful Easter egg line. Easter eggs. So up and down and up. Up and down and up and down. Okay, now let's continue the body here with a little line here and a little line there on that side. And now we're going to do some Easter eggs on the side. So starting here, we'll do a curved line up for the top of this Easter egg that's sitting next to this Easter bunny. And we'll come back down and we'll stop right about there. And let's, back where we started, we'll finish it off and stop like that. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting where that line is, we're going to go up over for the top of the Easter egg and then back down for the bottom of the Easter egg, and we'll stop right there. Let's finish it off like that. And then we'll do the bunny's feet here. So starting at the end of this Easter egg line, we'll do a foot here. There's this bunny sitting down. And then back around, and we'll do the same here. And back around. And let's do some lines for the toes. All right, and then now we'll draw the bottom of the bunny here. That. And let's do a pad on the bottom of the foot. So it's just an oval shape like this, and an oval shape like this. And now let's do a couple of patterns on the Easter egg. So on this Easter egg over here, we'll do a zigzag pattern, up and down and up and down. Like that. And we'll do a polka dot pattern over here. You can just kind of put the polka dots wherever on the egg. Like that.
I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
I'm going to make my bunny an off-white, so it looks kind of like a white bunny. But you can make your Easter bunny any color you want. And pink inside the ears, and pink for the nose, and pink for the pads at the bottom of the feet. Now let's color the Easter eggs. I'm going to do a yellow stripes on this Easter egg, and we'll do the other stripes green, kind of a pastel-y green. And this one we'll do purple and pink. And then this Easter egg we'll do a blue, light blue, with yellow dots. Don't forget to sign your doodle.
Happy Easter! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.